Buy, lease, or finance a car. Here's the smart choice. Have you ever walked into a car dealership with a budget in mind and left wondering if you just signed away your financial future? You're not alone. The truth is that most people spend over $200,000 on cars during their lifetime, yet they spend more time choosing a Netflix show than researching how to buy a vehicle. Dealerships make every option sound amazing: financing, leasing, PCP deals, special offers. But understanding the real cost can save you thousands of dollars. Let's break it down. Option 1, paying cash. Paying cash is the simplest option. You buy the car outright and own it immediately. No monthly payments, no interest, no contracts. The biggest advantage is peace of mind. The car is yours, and nobody can tell you how many miles you can drive or what modifications you can make. The downside? Cars lose value quickly. The moment you drive off the lot, your vehicle starts depreciating. There's also an opportunity cost. If you spend $30,000 on a car today, that's $30,000 that can't be invested elsewhere. So while paying cash avoids debt, it isn't always the mathematically best option. Option 2, financing. Financing means taking a car loan and paying monthly installments. This is popular because you don't need the full purchase price up front. You keep more cash available for emergencies or investments while still working toward owning the car. But here's where many people make a mistake. They focus only on the monthly payment. A dealer may lower your payment by stretching the loan to 6 or 7 years, but that often means paying thousands more in interest. Always look at the total cost of the loan, not just the monthly number. A lower payment doesn't automatically mean a better deal. Option 3, leasing. Leasing is basically renting a car for a few years. Monthly payments are usually lower because you're only paying for the depreciation during the lease period. This option is attractive if you like driving newer vehicles with the latest technology and warranty coverage. But leasing comes with restrictions. You'll usually have mileage limits, and going over them can be expensive. You must also keep the vehicle in excellent condition or face extra charges when returning it. Most importantly, after years of payments, you don't own anything. You're simply returning the car and starting over. Option 4, PCP, personal contract purchase. PCP is a hybrid between financing and leasing. Your monthly payments are lower because they're based on the difference between the current value of the car and its estimated future value. At the end of the contract, you can return the car, pay a large final payment, and keep it. Trade it in for another vehicle. Sounds flexible, right? The problem is that PCP often costs more overall and keeps customers returning to the dealership again and again. That's exactly why dealerships love it. What actually matters? Most people choose based on monthly payments. That's a mistake. The real question is, what is the total cost of ownership? You need to consider interest payments, insurance costs, fuel expenses, maintenance and repairs, depreciation. A cheap monthly payment can hide a very expensive deal. Which option is best? If you keep cars for 10 years or more, buying, either with cash or a reasonable loan, usually makes the most financial sense. If you enjoy driving a new car every few years and don't mind always having a payment, leasing can work. If you're considering PCP, read every detail carefully and calculate the total cost before signing anything. Final thought. Before buying any vehicle, ask yourself one simple question. Do I really need this car, or do I just want it? Many people buy vehicles based on emotions, status, or features they'll rarely use. The smartest car isn't always the newest or most expensive one. It's the one that fits your needs without destroying your finances. Remember, dealerships are experts at selling monthly payments. Your job is to focus on the total cost. Do the math, think long-term, and make a decision your future self will thank you for.